VisualParadigm SysML v2 Studio lets you design, validate, and visualize complex systems using the SysML version 2 notation. You can access it from the VisualParadigm desktop application or directly through a web browser, with your data automatically synchronized between both environments. The Studio provides real-time validation and visualization, giving you immediate feedback on syntax issues and model errors. It also transforms textual SysML v2 code into editable, interactive diagrams. With built-in AI support, you can quickly generate SysML models and produce various reports. Let's take a look at how it works. In the VisualParadigm desktop application, go to Tools, then select SysML v2 Studio. The SysML v2 Studio will open. You can also launch it from your web browser. The Studio is made up of 4 main components: the left panel, the code editor, the diagram viewer, and the problems pane. The left panel gives you access to Navigator for manage your SysML files, browse bundled samples, review the model structure of the active file, and access the AI assistant. The code editor displays the content of your SysML file. The diagram viewer visualizes the model defined in your SysML code according to your selected scope. And the problems pane highlights any issues detected in your SysML code. You can edit your SysML file directly in the code editor, and features like auto-completion help speed up your work. Any changes you make are instantly reflected in the diagram viewer. The diagram viewer also offers multiple ways to visualize the active element in your SysML file, such as tree view, state view, interconnection view, action view, and more. You can customize the display style, including inherited members, compartment memberships, multiplicities, and other visual options. Layout and connector styles can also be adjusted to fit your needs. Your diagrams can be exported as PNG or SVG images for use in your documents. The AI assistant can generate complete SysML files for specific diagram types, saving you time and ensuring your models follow correct SysML v2 syntax and structure. This is especially useful when starting new projects, exploring design alternatives, or quickly producing consistent model templates. It can also produce different kinds of reports according to your models into Markdown format.